Hey there, are you having microphone issues on Discord on iPhone? Hi there, this is Eva and here is how you can fix your Discord microphone issues on your iPhone. So, let's get started. Before you follow anything to try, turn off your Bluetooth. After that, try out these following process. Solution 1. Check microphone settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Privacy and Security. Tap Microphone. Make sure the microphone is on for Discord. Solution 2. Check and adjust the Discord settings. Open the Discord app, tap the profile icon, scroll down, tap Voice. First, turn on auto sensitivity. After that, you scroll down, increase the volume, turn off echo cancellation. Scroll down and enable all the options. After that, give a restart on your iPhone. Solution 3. Turn off restriction. Open Settings, tap Screen Time, scroll down, tap Content and Privacy Restriction. Turn off this option. So guys, after doing these processes, your Discord microphone problem will be solved. If you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.